So how to start with multi-wins? When younger children start playing the game, they start with the blue-green side, which is played with 2 dice. You see the indicator here in the corner. And to reach this card, they can use in theory all the operations available like plus, minus, multiplication or division. But in the first round you might maybe start only with additions and subtractions and explain multiplication and divisions later. So let's start with that. So how can you now help the kid? Which card can be reached? And usually I say just count the dots of the 2 dice to add stuff together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they just need to count. If they don't know the number yet, they as well have the numbers here as dots. So 5 plus 2, so we have 7 here. So let's roll again. And now we get 6 and 6. And we see maybe as an adult that 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. It could be that your kid doesn't understand the concept of 0 yet, so you could take out the card anyways, but to explain the subtraction is that you put the 2 dice side by side. Now you say take 1 dice and just cover as many dots as you see on the other dice. In that case, it would be all of the dots. So how many dots do you see on this dice? And it's 0. So he would reach this, or she would reach this card. And now we get 2 and a 5. So we need a multiplication to achieve the number 10. How can we explain that? We can say, look at the dice with less dots and now count as many times the dots on this here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 2 times 5 equals 10. Now we have a 2 here. It has 1, 2, 3 robots, so that's why there are no more target cards here. And let's see if we can achieve that. And now we have a 6 and a 3. And now some children, you might ask, if you have 6 pieces of cake and you have 3 guests, how many pieces will every guest get? But you can as well explain it a little bit simpler and say, okay, I have here 1, 2, and this matches this 1, 1, 2, this matches the middle dot, 1, 2, this matches the last dot. This is more visual, not for everybody, but could be explanation. You can do it as well the other way around, and you say, how many times do you need to count the dots on this dice until you get to 6. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I counted 2 times, which means 6 divided by 3 equals 2.